SOLIDWORKS is essential for us to use because we cannot just go by whim and try to make complex systems like this. At SeaSight Solutions, we designed and built handling and lifting equipment for a wide range of industries, with grid energy as our main focus. One of our flagship products, the APS, in short, Autonomous Positioning System, was developed entirely in SOLIDWORKS. Today, the APS has replaced traditional tagline with thruster technology, making turbine installation safer, faster, and far less dependent on large work areas. It transforms how wind turbines are installed. One operator can stabilize loads that once required 20 people working in sync with taglines. I've been with SeaSight for many years, and as a company, we have been building equipment for demanding industries for over 70 years. About 6 years ago, one of the big turbine manufacturers came to us with a challenge. They had a prototype for autonomous load control, but needed someone to turn it into a real product. That's how the APS was born. We developed the entire system in SOLIDWORKS, which meant we could test assemblies, movement, and interference virtually before production. That made our first APS system work almost from day one. And with PLM Group managing our system, we can focus completely on designing and building a solution like APS. Having a dedicated specialist from PLM Group supporting us every month has been both a real advantage and a great experience. So from small components that is being precision machined to big assemblies that is being welded, we need some kind of checks before we go into production. So especially in our pitch system in the APS, we have small intricate components that needs to intact. So we need to check clearances for the whole system to work. And also for our pitch system, we need to check that it has the sufficient stroke length for the pitch to have the needed force. With the use of SOLIDWORKS, we can catch almost every problem before it enters our workshop. I would say around 99%, it saves us a lot of time and it then saves us a lot of cost on our prototypes. One of the main advantages is that we can pull customer files into our 3D software, especially the turbine manufacturers can give us lathes and nacelles so we can check all the interactions with the APS and especially the lifting equipment we attach the APS to. This is also detrimental to how easy SOLIDWORKS is to work with. So for us, it's so easy that we can almost give it to an intern who has never used a computer or never used 3D software before, and within 1 to 2 weeks, we have a person going with drawing and assembling in SOLIDWORKS. With the SOLIDWORKS PDM, we can handle all our CAD files, so 2D and 3D drawings in one place, and it makes it a lot easier for us to handle all our files and gives us a peace of mind that we only have to back up one place. The APS is unique because it removes one of the most dangerous parts of turbine installation, while at the same time making the whole process faster and more efficient. This is exactly what the turbine manufacturers are always aiming for. And it's not only about new builds. Operators are also looking into how to commission older turbines, both onshore and offshore. In those cases, the APS is just as valuable because it brings the same safety and control to a very demanding job. Looking ahead, we see digital tools becoming even more important. With so many different machines and tools, creating full digital twins haven't always been easy, but AI is becoming much more realistic to bring the tool to our CAD environment. And that opens possibility for how we design and work. For us, it always comes back to the same question. Does it make sense? If it does, we will try it. That's the mindset we bring to every project, and it's what has allowed us to come this far.